Morning, sir.
Morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
My name is Eli Molegwa.
My name is Jean Paul.
Jean Paul.
Yes.
Great name. Okay, actually, Jean Paul, today is the 1st August 2019.
Yes.
I'm a student in Associate of Art program with
Yes.
College for America at Southern New Hampshire University,
Yeah.
and I'm conducting this interview as part of my academic work. This recorded interview will be submitted to College for America so that my work as an interview can be evaluated. This recording will be used solely for this purpose. Do you have any question before we move on?
Exactly.
Oh, thank you. Go ahead.
So, how long? I want to know how long this interview will take.
Actually, this interview not going to take enough time. It will be around 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, dear Jean Paul, before move on this interview, can you just provide me your consent to be interviewed and recorded?
I, Jean Paul,
Mhm.
give my consent form to be interviewed and recorded and to be used as academic evaluation.
Great. Okay, Jean Paul, I
Yeah.
have a question for you. Can you describe me a time you have been in conflict with someone? It can be in church, in team, at school. You just describe a time you were in conflict with someone.
So, I remember when I was on my high school, I was assigned a work to which was supposed to be done in team. So one of my friends used to be late and absent. When we set a schedule, he violated the schedule,
Oh,
and I tried to approach him and ask him what goes wrong with him. Unfortunately, he insulted me and he starts getting in conflict with me. It was like a misunderstanding between me and him.
okay.
Yeah,
Great. If I've understood well the conflict, it was that person didn't respect your agreement.
yeah,
You used to come late,
yeah,
yet you were supposed to be on time so that you may be more productive in your work.
yes.
Oh, great. I've understood very well your conflict. Now, I'd like to know which kind of strategies did you use to manage that conflict?
So the strategies I use is first I called him, I sit down with him, I tried to explain to him positive and negative impact that can affect our work.
Uh,
So in that time, we try to brainstorm some possible solution in order to improve our collaboration, and we set a schedule which is fair for everyone.
oh, okay, good. I've understood your strategy. Now, how did you make sure that your strategy was effective? That did your strategy effective? And if yes, how did you know if the strategy was effective?
So I think yes, the strategy was effective because after sitting down and talk one to another, he was able to explain to me the challenges he faced,
Uh,
which made him to be late and absences. As a human, I tried to understand him. So at that time, I gave him some advices on how to manage his time, how to be productive, how to be effective collaborator.
yeah, actually, I do appreciate your advices that you provided to him. It was good. Then I have a last question for you. I would like to know how was the final result? How the situation ended? How was the final result?
So agree after agreed on the fair schedule, some changes uh, which I noticed to him. He was the first to come on time, and when he faced an issue which made him to be absent, he communicated ahead of time. And in one word, he changed completely.
Okay, thank you, Jean Paul. Actually, you did a great job. It's not easy to manage a conflict between two people, and this is actually the end of our interview. Thank you for your time that you give me. I do appreciate.
Thank you too. Nice.